Hi, my name is Chandler from WatchGuard Technical Support, and today I'm going to show you how to create a support case online on the WatchGuard portal.
To begin creating a case online, we'll want to go ahead and select Login in the top right-hand corner of the page. If you don't already have a WatchGuard account, you can create one here. If you forgot your username or password, you'll find the option down below. Let's go ahead and log into our WatchGuard account now. Next, we'll want to select My WatchGuard at the top of the page, and then Manage Cases. We can go ahead and select Create a New Case. Next, we'll select our case record type, whether it's technical support or customer care. Then we'll select our hardware model or product family. For this demonstration, we'll select Firebox. In the feature area, we can put Firewall. For the subject, we can go ahead and put in a brief description, and then in the problem description itself, we'll go ahead and put in a more detailed explanation on what is going on. Make sure to be as detailed as possible so that way we can help you best right away. Next, we'll select Continue. On this next page, we'll go ahead and select the serial number of our device. If you don't already have the hardware model or feature area and want to change it, you can do so here. Next, we'll go ahead and put in the appliance software version. This would be the firmware version of the device. In the management software version, you can go ahead and put in the version of Dimension or System Manager that you are currently using to manage the device. Below, you'll find contact information. Be sure to put in your name. Verify the phone number is a good one we can reach you at. Language of preference, alternative email, and preferred method of contact. Then we can put in our time zone. These are the hours that we'll be able to contact you by, so make sure you put in the biggest window that you can, so that way we know when we can reach you. Underneath, you'll find options for regular business days Monday through Friday, weekends, and 24/7. At the bottom of the page, if you've enabled support access for your device, you may input the information here so we can review the configuration. Then select Submit Case.
For more information on how to create a support case online, please refer to our documentation in the description below.